Hello, my name is Michael Sanchez and welcome to ViolinTutorPro.com. I'm a violin teacher in the United States and I have about 55 private students that come to me on a weekly basis. The students range in age anywhere from 4 years old all the way up until 65 years old. Really enjoy teaching, and I've been playing the violin for about over 20 years. I would say about 3/4 of the students that come to me are beginners, and they all have different interests in mind when wanting to learn the violin. I teach classical violin, so something like this. Also, I teach bluegrass fiddle, which is something like this. Also, different styles of fiddle include the Irish style, which is something like this. Violin Tutor Pro is set up into 4 different series of lessons. The first series normally takes about 3 to 4 months to complete, and it includes everything from how to hold the bow, how to hold the instrument, how to play songs that you recognize. It's going to teach you the fundamentals and how to do everything correctly, which is really important. There's 2 different ways to get access to my lessons. The first one is going to be by purchasing a DVD. The DVD is going to include 2 different discs of lessons and a table of contents, everything that you need. Also, what's really nice about the DVDs is that I actually ship you sheet music, so you can actually put it on your stand and play along while watching the videos. The other way you can get access to my lessons is to pay $9.99 a month, and you'll get access online to basically a website with a username and password. So either way, it's going to teach you how to play the violin. The videos are exactly the same. Violin Tutor Pro comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not satisfied at all with lessons, you can return it at any time. You can also cancel the membership anytime. I've actually never had a return in 2 years, which is unbelievable. Once you purchase the lessons, start to get into it, I'm sure you'll really enjoy it.